Tonight, at exactly 11:47 p.m., the moon vanishes. No explosion, no warning, no sound. 1 second it's there, pulling on every ocean on Earth. The next second, it's gone, and in the next 6 hours, everything you think you know about normal starts to break. The first minute. Let's start with what you'd actually see. If you're staring at the night sky when it happens, you won't scream. You won't even notice right away. Because the moon is 384,000 kilometers away. Light takes over a second to travel that distance. But gravity's effects ripple out almost instantly. Here's the first surprise. The sky doesn't go dark. It was already dark. What changes is invisible, and that's what makes it terrifying. Somewhere in the Pacific Ocean, a wave that was about to crest stalls because the tide just lost its engine. The oceans react. The moon isn't just a rock in the sky. It's the reason 2/3 of Earth's surface moves in rhythm, twice a day, every day. Without it, tides don't disappear completely. The sun still pulls on our oceans. But the sun is 400 times farther away, so its pull is weaker. Result? Tides drop to about 1/3 of their normal strength, almost overnight. Now think about who depends on that tidal rhythm. Coastal fish that time their spawning to full moons. Sea turtles that navigate beaches by moonlight. Coral that releases eggs on one specific night a year, guided by lunar cycles refined over millions of years. Within days, that timing breaks, silently, underwater, where no camera is watching. The spin problem. Here's something most people don't know. The moon isn't just decoration. It's a stabilizer. Earth spins on a tilt, 23.5 degrees. That tilt gives us seasons. The moon's gravity acts like a hand steadying a spinning top. Without it, that tilt isn't locked anymore. Scientists who've modeled this, including researchers using NASA simulations, found that Earth's axis could wobble wildly over tens of thousands of years. Not overnight, but the process begins the moment the moon leaves. So somewhere, a climate that took civilizations thousands of years to adapt to starts quietly unraveling. You won't feel it this week, but your grandchildren might live through it. The days get shorter, then longer. Here's a twist. Almost nobody guesses. The moon has actually been slowing Earth's rotation down for billions of years through tidal friction. That's why days are getting very slightly longer over time, by about 1.7 milliseconds per century. Remove the moon, and that break disappears. Earth's rotation doesn't slow down anymore. Days stay locked at 24 hours, permanently. Sounds harmless, right? But that stability was never permanent. It was borrowed. And nobody knows exactly what fills the gap when the borrower disappears. The night sky itself. Now picture yourself outside, 3 nights later. No moonlight to soften the dark. No lunar glow bouncing off clouds. Predators that hunt using moonlight. Lions, owls, some sharks lose their edge. Prey that hides in moon shadow loses its cover. Nocturnal ecosystems, tuned over millions of years to a rhythm of light and dark, get rewritten in real time. And humans, we'd actually see more stars. The night sky would look more beautiful than ever. Beautiful and wrong. Because that beauty is the sky telling you something is missing. The eclipse that never happens again. Here's a fact that stops people cold. Solar eclipses only happen because the moon and sun appear almost exactly the same size in our sky. One of the strangest coincidences in the solar system. No moon means no more total solar eclipses, ever. One of the most awe-inspiring natural events humans have witnessed for our entire existence. Gone, permanently, the same day the moon disappears. Future generations wouldn't just lose a rock in the sky. They'd lose an experience no other planet in our solar system offers quite the same way. The long game. So here's the real question. Could life on Earth survive this? Yes, life adapts. It always has. But surviving and staying the same are very different things. Over centuries, coastlines shift as tidal patterns change. Ecosystems reorganize around new light and gravity conditions. Earth's climate stability, the very thing that let human civilization rise in the first place, becomes less predictable. Not apocalyptic, just less forgiving. The moon didn't have to exist. Most planets don't get a moon like ours, one massive enough to stabilize an entire world's tilt, tides, and rhythm of life. Ours formed from a violent collision over 4.5 billion years ago, and somehow, it became the quiet reason Earth turned out livable at all. So tonight, when you look up and see it hanging there, ask yourself this: how much of what makes Earth home do we owe to something we never even had to earn?